The following insert contains the components used in the FabX display system and demonstrates how they fit together. All or some of the parts will be used in your display structure. The carry bag or bags containing your display shipped to you with a coloured seal. If the seal is not intact, it means that the bag has been tampered with, and the contents of the bag should be checked against the list of contents to ensure that the components are all there. Cut off the seal with a pair of scissors to gain access to the contents of the bag. Assembly will usually start with the scissor foot. It consists of two similar looking pieces. They are, however, different with different functions. The shorter piece has a threaded hole in it. The longer section has an unthreaded hole in it. It should be placed at 90 degrees over the threaded section. The scissor foot is secured by screwing in the threaded section of an upright through the hole into the threaded portion of the thread in the following way. Make sure it's fairly tight. Once the entire display has been assembled, the foot can be scissored in to present a neater profile. Uprights are the tree trunks of the FabX display system. In more complex assemblies, they can be color-coded to facilitate ease of identification and assembly. Uprights are normally divided into convenient lengths for transportation and assembly. Assemble the uprights by screwing in the male thread into the female thread. Tighten securely, ensuring that the grooves line up. The FabX display system has two types of twist locks: a closed or capped twist lock and an open twist lock. The closed or capped twist lock is normally found at the top of an assembled upright. The open twist lock is normally found upside down at the base of an assembled upright. Both twist locks have a lock ring. The twist lock is inserted onto the upright, moved to the correct height and attitude, and then locked to the upright firmly by twisting the lock ring. Rails are the branches of the FabX display system. They come in a wide variety of shapes and different lengths. Rails are either connected with sliders or inserts. The twist lock contains insertion points for sliders or inserts at the end of a rail in order to attach the rail to the upright. Inserts connect the rail to the twist lock in the following fashion. Sliders connect rails to twist locks in this way. Both straight and curved rails can be joined using a rail connector. Slip it into one side and connect to the other rail. The function of the rails is to support and carry the prints. prints are the leaves of the FabX display system. They have a plastic extrusion stitched into the top and the bottom of each print. Prints are inserted by placing the plastic extrusion into the cavity in the rail and then zipping it in by running your finger across the print. The bottom of the print is inserted in the same way. A little practice may be required, but the technique is soon mastered. Prints are tensioned by firmly pushing down on the twist lock and twisting to lock in position. Repeat on the other side. Prints can be inserted into the uprights in exactly the same way. Prints inserted into uprights are done in the following fashion. Put the extrusion into the slot, zip the print in, rotate it, applying tension, and tension the coin slot to lock it in position using a coin. This is a demonstration of how to attach a floodlight to the top of an upright. First, attach the stubby and twist lock to the top of the upright by screwing it in. There's a slider mounted on the back of the light which can be inserted into the twist lock. You now are able to move the light into position and orientate the light to illuminate in the best way possible.